Dito mo makukuha yung sa sort mo. May secret chest kami para ma-hide namin kala Ate Phoebe yung diamonds, emeralds,
Go down, go
gold.
down.
Teleport ko ikaw. Ito, ma'am. Ito sa loob ng chest na to. Diamonds. Gold.
Asa ka? Wala.
Wow!
Okay. Nakita ko na.
Obsidian.
Punta ako sa chest.
Yes, kuha ka ng many.
Anong gagawin ko?
Turuan mo si Mami makapag, unang form, ng,
Redstone.
hindi redstone. Yung mag-crafting.
Ma'am, marunong ka ba mag-craft?
Hindi. Witchcraft.
Oh!
Basta patay siya.
Noob! Pag nakil ako ng zombie na to. You're just gonna die. Ah!
Dark, di pa. May light pa. Ay, wait lang. Ay, sorry, love. There, go.
Not your wife. That's the one stone.
Stones,
Ano
yes.
kulay pink na stone na to?
Pink? Ano pink?
Amethyst.
Di ba mine niya?
Namamine niya. Namine.
Mommy, one. Pink stone. This my pink stone.
Pink stone?
This mine.
This one?
This mine pink stone.
Should I get this?
Yes.
Lucky. Laway mo tumalsikat sa akin.
Huh?
Huh?
Daddy, I'm here to what? What? I'm here.
Wow, sino nakakita nun?
Me.
Wow! Nice one, baby.
Oh, I think there's a zombie there waiting for me.
Dad, what?
Again?
Yes.
Galing ah.
I'm here to that.
Nagsiswimming yung zombie pasaway. Nasa pool. Nagre-relax sana siya eh. Nakita ko siya.
Napatay mo na.
Mommy, look there. Ma'am, come dito. Lagay mo yung
Ay, kuya, yung, blue, yan?
lapis.
Pwede kong sira ito, di ba, lapis?
Yes, tapos
Mga ilang blocks.
malapit.
So,
4 to 10. Ganon. What the?
Blue, yeah.
Dami ko. Dad, alam mo kung gaano kadami? Ma'am, saan gusto mo mag-live na house? Sa house ni Dad o house ko? Ma'am, saan? Saan na house gusto mo mag-live? House ni Dad o house mo? Ay, house ko.
House ni Dad.
Okay. Nakalagay na yung bed mo doon?
Okay lang. Put some light there, yan,
Si Brighty nakalib sa house ko. No. Mining. Dad. Nagawa ko yung house mo, Dad.
Nasisira?
Hindi.
You're mining?
Oh, no. What's that? Wait lang ha, magpa-teleport lang kay kuya kasi I have to get some, Kukuha ako ng,
May deep sleep ba kayo?
kay kuya. Saan ka ba, kuya?
Dito lang, nagagawa lang ako ng house. Matatapos na yung house mo! Tapos na!
Wait, talaga?
Laka lang ng roof. Natapos na!
Wait lang, Brighty. Kukuha ako ng I'll go to you again.
Pwede na natin gawin yung castle.
Kulang pa eh. Hindi, magagawa pa tayo ng wait lang.
Oh, I saw a zombie.
Mami, di ba pa nalalagay?
I'll give you this one. Ha? Broken yung sa'yo?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you
It's
one.
9 o'clock in a few minutes. I will start the alarm now.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Naku, hindi natin matatapos yung ano natin, mission,
Oo. Ma'am. Ma'am, nasa'yo lahat ng...
Ano, kinuha ni mami lahat?
Anin? Anin? Anong ginawa ko? Wala akong ginagawa eh.
Ma'am.
Dad, I'm hungry.
Wala akong food.
Please.
Where are you? Punta ako dyan sa'yo.
Yeah.
I'll go to you. Teleport daddy to... Teleport daddy to... Bright.
Wow.
Yay! Where's your I'll give you pickaxe again. There. Okay, nakuha mo na?
No.
Wag!
There.
Wag mo ibukas! Wag! Wow! Wag mo kuha na!
Where are we now?
Wag mo kuha. Wag mo lang ako kukuhain.
Where?
SNUBCRWN
Wag mo kuhain. Sige
Okay.
ate.
Go.
Me.
Let's digging.
Okay.
Come
Dad,
here.
kill a baby zombie.
Baby zombie.
Wait, bakit? Oh, where? Here, nasa ano?
Stop! Look, Daddy.
What's that?
SNUBCRWN
You got
4490. We were shot by
Yeah.
What's it?
Ouch.
Sorry.
Yes.
See?
Axe. Dito ka. Oh, axe. There.
Dad,
You're welcome.
Yes, a spear!
3R1
Oh
98.
no.
We were slain by STR1
I'll
3R.
go to you na ha, again.
Don't have a baby zombie.
Hi, again.
No! Don't call me a noob. I was just killed a zombie with the...
Wala kami nakitang gold, kuya.
Ba't ako? Ang dami ko nakikita.
Dito sa yung may blue, anin?
Kasi dapat yung makita mo, diamond. Palapit dyan.
Ah, diamond ba yun? Wala. Walang nakita.
Ay. All directions, tinignan mo.
Ginagawa ko ngayon.
Hmm.
Dad, where are you?
Here.
What's me, Daddy?
Here.
Huh?
You can see me. I think you can see me.
Yeah. Guys, what's me there?
Hi.
Guys, what doing here?
I'm just digging.
Dad, valuable ba yung leather?
Ha?
Valuable ba yung leather?
Di ba sabi mo, pang ano yun? Pang stable?
Ay, oo. nga.
What? With that? Oh,
Just gonna put this.
guys.
Dami ko lalagay sa chest.
Ha?
Happened right?
We still haven't made.
Right. Dad, wait.
Yeah. Oh, yun na, may nakita si ate.
Na?
What's that, ate? Ano nakita mo? Ayun, nasa taas.
Diamond?
Hindi.
Ano?
Copper lang.
Papa, here.
Walang diamond.
Dad, look me diamond.
Ba't pag ako, dami ko nakukuha? Ba't
Dad,
yung sobrang lagi?
Miss you. Miss.
Ha?
Miss Ate.
Miss ate? Why?
Ang daming gold.
Ate?
Dad, alam mo kung gaano kadaming gold nakuha natin?
Kaya nakarami. Uy,
Just look!
wait,
Dad.
Parang I saw something. Kulay green.
M!
Ah, hindi pala. Kala ko naman.
Emerald.
Kala ko emerald talaga. Yes!
Gusto ko emerald.
Saan ka?
Pupunta ako dyan ng bilis.
Wait, anak. Wait lang. What?
Last 1 minute.
Oh no. Ano ginagawa mo ate dyan? May nakita ka?
Wait.
Ah, copper. Ay, ano, iron. Okay.
Let me jump daddy. Wow.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. Mining.
We are
Daming
mining.
coal.
Yeah. Dami kang coal?
Hindi, daming coal blocks. Ba't ang dami?
Coal blocks ba to? Tawag dito?
Yes.
Yeah, look.
Hindi cobblestones?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hindi, ito coal blocks. Ito mga color black. Ba't ang dami dito?
Ba ginagawa ko? Saan na ba kami? Saan na ba yung kanina dinaanan natin?
Ito. Naka-block off lang.
Ah, tinakpan na. Nasira?
Hindi naka-block off.
Kasi labas yan mine eh. Ayan, black lang siya. Oh.
Dad, look there.
Mag-mining tayo for diamond.
Dad, look.
Yeah. What's that?
Did you hear that? What's up?
Wait lang!
Wait, ate, wait. Ano yun? Nasa si ate?
Nakahanap si Ate Phoebe. Ate Phoebe, gusto mo niyan?
What's that? What's that?
Diamond.
Wow, galing ate.
Time up.
Give it to ate, ha?
Ate Phoebe, kaso na. Ate Phoebe, oh.
STRYT 3
Ah, yeah. Time's up na po. Okay, thank you.
Yan!
Ayan, yay!
May diamond ka na naman.
Let's go!
Kaso